Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Euro Index and Euro pairs. So let's get started. Um, this is the monthly chart. Let me show you the monthly chart of Euro Index first. And this is how it is, right? So this is, let's say this is a big move to the downside here, right? Long time ago. And then this is what it did, and it is doing. So it's A, B, C, D. D is like a little bit more. It is supposed to be coming down here, but somehow, because of some fundies, it went up and then came down here and then start to go to the upside again for wave E. So A, B, C, D, and E. What the heck is that? This is it is called this triangle, contracting bearish triangle, and you have either wave 1 or 3. Usually that happens in either wave 4 or B. If it is A, then B, and then C, or 4, 3, 4, and 5. So this is how the triangle unfolds: A, B, C, D, E, 5 legs. And then it goes in the previous direction of the trend. This is where it's going to go, right? After breaking below this line here, this high of wave E. So this is where we are now. You see this wave E, so A, B, C, D, E. But the problem here that we are, if you leave this current candle alone, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The whole year, 12 months, we've been in this range, this yellow box. This is the high, the ceiling, this is the floor. We are just constantly within this range, right? We poked into it a little bit and then we went inside and then poked to the upside and then came back inside again. And this is what we are doing now. So when we are going to break this range, I have no idea, right? So if we break to the downside, then I'm expecting this wave C, just like wave A, then this is B, and C way to the downside. Is that possible? I don't know. But this is how the monthly chart look like. Now, the weekly chart, look at this. This is what's happening. This is wave E, and went up there, and we are having this ranging here, right? So now a couple of numbers all around here is like 2903, very close. Upper level is next upper is 2986. Lower numbers are, like 2812. So if you plot these numbers on 40-minute chart or regular 4-hour chart for that matter, let's say the regular 4-hour chart is like this. My 40-minute chart is like this, almost the same thing, but I use Renko charts because more clarity. So you look at it, it's just a sideways movement, right? As it is ranging on the top of the monthly triangle, right? And then it drop and then it start ranging here. So I think that it is getting ready to drop more, right? So draw these numbers: 2986, 2903, and 2845 is holding here, and then the bottom number is 2812. So let's get out of this range first before you do anything, right? Now, the euro pairs, right? EUR-AUD, EUR-USD, Euro-Yen, Euro-CAD, Euro-NUSD. I'm looking at those pairs based on other currency, not the euro, because euro is just like, it's neutral, it's just ranging, right? So forget about the euro. Now, if I'm looking and doing my analysis and trying to trade EUR-AUD, it is based on Aussie right now. EUR-USD is based on USD, just like, Friday we had NFP and then that thing started to move, right? Euro yen is because of yen is getting weaker and then it's going up. So that's what it is happening. So I'm looking at those pairs based on other currencies, not the euro, because this is completely nonsense here. It's just badly ranging, and you cannot rely on that, right? So this is what the euro index is doing. But what about the pairs? If you look at the pairs, for example, euro-Aussie, and this is what's happening in EUR-AUD, the weekly chart. Now, based on the Aussie index, I cannot show all these other indexes in this video, right? I'm going to do the webinar, by the way, tonight. This evening at 4 p.m., where I show everything, discuss indexes and all the pairs with my subscribers. If you want to join, you can join. You go on my website and subscribe. But yeah, look at this pair, Euro-Aussie. I'm going to be looking at this based on Aussie dollar index. So what the heck is that doing? So Aussie right now is getting weaker. So it went up, right? And my take was that it's supposed to be coming down here for wave A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C correction. So it needs to come down, but it's not coming down right now. So bottom line is here right now that these are the couple of numbers, 65.97 to the top and 64.35 in the bottom. If you look at this on a smaller time frame, for example, this one, EUR-AUD, this is how it looks like. My 20-minute chart where I take the entry, right? This is 25.97. I mean, sorry, 65.97 is up there, and 64.35 is down here. So that's why I didn't have any trade, because it went up straight, no setup here, coming down, no setup, going up, no setup. So what the hell? So I'm just waiting, for it to take some kind of direction, and then go in that direction. So let's see what happened on this one. Other pairs, like for example, EUR-USD. This is important because we had NFP last Friday, and USD start to get strong very nicely. And this was my previous chart that we were here on 0917. So I said, well, it's gonna drop to this TL first. You see this mark, yellow mark? And then at the TL, we will decide if we're gonna bounce from here or break to the downside. Now, since we had NFP and the numbers were very, very positive and strong numbers, job numbers, right? I strongly think that the US dollar going to get more stronger and then take this pair to the downside. And this is how I like it anyway. So if you pull the fib from here to here, this is A, B, C, best correction, right? Perfect correction would be like this, around 61%. And it is also 23% line of this fib from here. This is 61%, then 23%, and then goes back to 78% to make a girdle pattern harmonic. It's like a harmonic. What is harmonic? Harmonic is like moving between these fib levels. Fibonacci is very, very important in this business. So once you learn, how to use properly and what number takes you back to what number, then it becomes very easy, right? So usually from 61, usually it goes back to 23% line. But, we have a little wobble here in between. So you draw the fib from here to here. You can see that after this, we went up to 23, not 23, but even 11.4% line, and that now dropping. Then we can come down here easily to this because of USD, not Euro. USD getting strong. Other pair, for example, Euro-Yen. Euro-Yen, you can see this is a weekly chart. And on the other chart, let me show you. It's going to the upside because of yen. Yen is weak. After NFP especially got weaker. And Euro-Yen, let's take a look at Euro-Yen. Euro-Yen is this. I already had a nice long, this one from here. I took from 7-minute chart on February 1st, Thursday, for 75 pip all the way to the top. Then it came down here, and now from the 20-minute chart, I had an entry, but I left it open. I couldn't get a chance to close it, so it's still on. And since I moved that EA, right? So SL did move to break even. Usually after 25 pip, it goes and sit on a break even. And when the market opens up, I'll close it anyway. But from here to here, it was like 60, 65 pip, right? So it's still probably 50 pip positive. So when the market opens up, I'll close it and see what happens. This, I see now that this is like maybe wave 1, 2, 3, and then followed by wave 4, and then go to the upside for wave 5. So whatever happened, doesn't matter. Other pair, for example, USD, Euro-USD, Euro-NUSD, this is what's happening. My previous chart was that it's going to bounce from here, and it did. Target was this line here, right, 79.69. So we came very close. Actually, we went up there. We hit the target, right, very close, then dropped, and now sitting at 78.25. So I don't have this pair open a 20-minute chart on this computer. It's on the other computer. Few charts I have on the other computer so that my computer don't go slow. It slows down if you open too many charts. I have already 20 pair open here, but the rest I have on another computer. Similarly, Euro-CAD, if you look at that, this is what's doing. Euro-CAD also, it looks like that it's going to come down. So basically, these pairs, I'm watching I'm not even trading these pairs, to be honest with you. Euro-NUSD, Euro-CAD, I'm not interested in those. I'm mostly right now yen. and USD. So EUR-USD, EUR-USD, very few times I trade that because the daily range is not there. If I show you, for example, if you want to trade the EUR-USD, that this is what's happening, and then look at this EUR-USD daily range, average 60-day daily range is only 69 pips. So what the heck? How are you going to trade this? Right? Only last Thursday and Friday did a little bit better because of the USD, NFP. Thursday 94 and Friday 117 because very strong numbers came and it dropped. Yeah, that's fine. But basically, the daily range average is 69 pip. That's not enough. Compared to that, you look at the euro yen and you see this daily range is 136. That makes sense, right? You can, you have a chance of getting, if you get the right entry, you can easily, like Thursday, I had 75 pip trade. Right now, it's 60 pip positive. It can go even more when the market opens up. Euro yen was getting weaker at when we closed the market, and USD was getting strong. So hopefully I get some more and I'll close 60, 70 pip. But with the smaller daily range, you don't have much chance. So similarly, if EUR-AUD, look at the daily range, it's 115, pretty good, not bad, not like 69 pip in EUR-USD. Similarly, EUR-CAD has a very bad daily range. I think I have the EUR-CAD here. Yeah, right here, right? EUR-CAD. This is what the EUR-CAD is doing, and I think it's gonna drop. And daily range is 86 pip only, right? So EUR-USD, EUR-CAD, pair like that. I rather trade, EUR-yen, EUR-AUD, stuff like that, right? So that's how it is now. Hope that you get it. Let's go back and take a look at the euro index one more time. This is what the euro index is doing, and that's why I don't like it. And usually I don't discuss that because this is what's happening here. So why waste your time, right? But I had several requests to go and then make a video and go over a euro index and euro pair. So I said, okay, let me just make a small video. No big deal, no harm done, right? So yeah, so this is what it is. But like I said, that I will stay away from euro index, not consider euro index for anything, but other pairs, other indexes. USD is moving, yen is moving, and if anything, that Aussie and Aussie getting weaker, that's moving. CAD is moving. So once this thing start moving, then we will see which direction. I think it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop to first it's 26.13, and then maybe more, all the way to 61%. It's like 20.48, right? It's supposed to be doing that because this triangle. But when we're going to break this range, I have no idea. For the last whole year, we are stuck in this range. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. Oh man, the